How to recover lost account on COC. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. In the source bar, search for Clash of Clans support. Different sites will be available to you. Scroll down and head over to this site, How to Contact Customer Support Service. It will land you on this interface. Once again scroll down and you'll find the option of Submit Form. What you want to do is click on it. Well, this interface will pop up on your screen. Over here, you'll find this interface. You need to enter some of the information of your lost account. First of all, select the language, and in the category, you need to select Lost Account Recovery, and then enter your player tag or the account name. Once you are done, enter the email address associated with your lost account. At the very end, you need to write the problem that you have been facing on COC. You simply need to mention that you want to recover your account. Once you have entered, tap on Submit at the bottom. Now within 24 hours, the COC support will definitely come up with some solution for you, and your account will be recovered successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can recover your lost COC account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.